Hi everyone. So myself Jai. So welcome to my channel Data Intelligence. So we are looking question 6 of DP-900 real exam question and answer series with detailed explanation. So let's get into the question number 6. So drag and drop. So match the types of analytics that can be used to answer the business questions. To answer, drag the appropriate analytics type from the column on the left to its question on the right. So each analytics type may be used once, so more than once or not at all. So there are three possibilities that each analytics can be used once or more than once or not at all. Okay. So you have to just drag this analytics type with the exact scenarios. That's a question. So they have given the analytics types here on the left column, that is cognitive, diagnostic, descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive. So here they have provided these statements, that is, why did sales increase last month? How do I allocate my budget to buy different inventory items? Which people are mentioned in a company's business document? So uh, in previous questions, like similarly based on the analytics types, we have discussed two more questions before this video. So now you have some ideas about cognitive, diagnostic, descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive, what this the analytics type means. Okay, so let's discuss with the explanation how to answer this question. So with this explanation here, I just give you the small graph where you can see the descriptive means what's happening, diagnostic means why happening, predictive means what will happen, and prescriptive means what action should we take. Okay, so it will gives you a clear idea what this each analytics type means. Okay, so here in the box one, the answer will be diagnostic. So why? Because so why did sales increase last month? So we know something have happened in the past, okay, that some sales have been increased. So now we have to check why it's happened. So at this stage we can begin to answer some of these why questions. So the question is why. So here the historical data can be begin to measure against other data. Okay, so like the previous data, that's the historical data of the particular sales data, will help us to give the insights like why it happened. Okay, so this process of gathering or interpreting the different data sets to identify the anomalies or detect the patterns and determine the relationships. So it's simply by answering the question, they have asked the question why. So why it happened, then it obviously it should be the diagnostic one. Okay, and the second one is the prescriptive analytics. So the second statement is question is, how do I allocate my budget to buy different inventory items? So how you can allocate the budget, like you have, you know what's your budget and you know what are the different inventory items you have to buy. Okay, so now you have to decide like how do I allocate. Okay, so this prescriptive analytics is a combination of data and mathematical models and the various business rules to infer actions to influence future desired outcomes. So simply saying what will happen. So like I have a budget, so if I buy this inventory items in the allocated budget, what will happen? So like how much inventory things we can buy with this budget. So you can predict the price or the future price, or how we you can buy these items. Okay, like how you can allocate the budget. So it clearly shows the how questions gives you like the prescriptive one. Okay, so this is the second option will be the prescriptive, and the third one is the descriptive. So which people are mentioned in a company's business documents? So it's simple that in a business you'll be having, these are the peoples who are working here, they are the higher authorities and everything, the employees. So it's a fixed one in the business document, so it's already happened, so we just want to summarize or take the data from there. So it's just you are going to describe it or summarize it, so it comes under descriptive, so what which has happened before. Okay, so I think it gives you a clear idea like based on the question. So if it's and why, then you have to go with the diagnostic, so why the sales is increases, and like how you have to do, whether it's like a future decision or something, then it's a prescriptive one. And if we have known already, which has happened already, but you are just going to summarize it, so what happened, then it's a descriptive one. So this is all the correct option for this question. So hope you all understand about how to answer this question. So if you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section. So thanks for watching my video. So don't forget to like if you like the video, and if you have queries, just ask me, and don't forget to subscribe, so you will be having a good knowledge on Azure certification examination. So after DP 900 preparation, I will be uploading the videos for AZ 900 and AA 900. So keep watching my channel. Thanks for viewing this video. Thank you.